Number 11. Find the averages between 400 and 800. That means averages of values from 400 to 800, including those two numbers. And formula for that will be is equal to average. Then you get average. If here you do this one, you have to find out where is the average range. The range is from A2 to A21. A2 to A21. Select that. Criteria is also from the same thing. From here only. A2 to A21. And then criteria 1 is greater than or equal to 400. Then criteria range 2, that is same as this one, so I can copy paste from here. Control C, Control V, and here this is less than or equal to 800. And I get the value 614.923088. And if I do not want so many decimal places, I can come to this one and reduce. This is increasing. Reduce the number of decimals. Now want to know what is the formula used? Copy paste this one, then it will copy the formula is available here onto this one. So that is 11th. 12th is find the total of 5 numbers, 88, 500. So and not a function. Function can be sum, but here it is equal to total. So total of 5 numbers. 1. I'll write there. I can type it here. I can total of the following numbers using formula. Control C. Let me write it here. Control V. And that is equal to nothing but 88 plus 300 plus 250 plus 75 plus 99. 88, 300, 250, 75. And these are the 5 things which are added using the formula. If I had to use the function, then I could have said sum. And in bracket, 88, 300 will do that. So suppose I have to find using the sum, it will be is equal to sum of same numbers. 88, here we have to write comma 300, comma 250, comma 75, comma 99, bracket close. Get the same thing. So if I define what is the number there, just have to copy paste this here. When you want to see the full thing, it's here. So that is also done. So here it is instead of the formula using just for comparison. Now what is required is only function formula. Compute the sum of numbers from 1 to 100 using the formula n into. So formula is n into n plus 1 bracket open bracket closed, n plus 1 divided by 2 is the formula for. So suppose it is 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 plus 4 plus 5, it will be 1. It will be 5 into 6, 30 divided by 2. It will be 15. So here 1 to 100. So therefore it is equal to n. N is 100 star n plus 1. 100 plus 1. Whole thing divided by 2. That will be 50, 50. And you want to know the formula. The formula can be obtained here. So that is question number 13. Question number 14. Sum of 88 and 300. So we have to take is equal to bracket open 88 plus 300 to the power of 3. Power is given by this hat signal at sign. So that is this number. You see, here it is square cube of sum of 88 and 300. So this is question number 14. Right. 15 is data 8220. Use conditional formatting. It will be Control V. Now this data I want to home conditional formatting. And here there is something known as highlight cell rules. So greater than 500 is what I want here in this one. And I want this to be filled with light red border, red text. So let me see. Let me make it with red text. This data is selected first. Then go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than 500 to be red text. Okay, so all the values above 500 are marked in red color. That is question number 15. Answer to question number 15 is here. This one. Now 16 says data bars. Again, let me copy it here. Otherwise, it will be confusing. 16, I'll copy it here, Control C. Let me copy. 16 says B, B, data bars. So this here I want data bars. Simple. Home, conditional formatting, data bars. So what sort of bar you want, you can decide. So let me choose red, bright. So higher the number, the longer the bar. Then that is 16 traffic signals. So let me go one, Control C. Let me put B. Data from here. Control C. And Control V. Now I want to clear this one. So let us say home, conditional formatting, clear rules. So I do not want rules. So now I want to put new rule. That is home, conditional formatting, traffic signal. I can set it as. So I can have higher numbers in green, lower numbers in red, and middle numbers in yellow. 17 number. 18 is sort the data in A. So let me take 18 here, Control C. Let me 18 here. Then I take this data again, Control E. Control V. Let me clear this cells, condition formatting, clear the rules, clear rules. Now sort the data. Sort is select this thing, data sort. So it says, do you expand a selection? I want only this particular column, so I don't want to expand selection. Continue with the selection. And it says, it has got a heading. Yes, I got a heading. Therefore, this will not be like this. It will be like this. Time charges from values to smallest to largest. So 215, the lowest minimum, has come there. 896 has come here. So that takes care of question number 18. 19 is filter the data. The same thing I'll use. I'll see this. Data. Let it go to data. Known as filter. Small rectangular. Now here I can remove the selection. And I say numbers thing. I say, okay, I want only those numbers which are greater than 2600. So I'll get those numbers. I want to get number filters. This is not required. Less than 500. I'll get those numbers. And if I want both number filters greater than 300 and less than 500, how many numbers are there? That. So this is how and how to remove all of them. Then come here and say select all. Filter works. That takes care of problem number 19. 19 is done. 20 is somebody's date of birth is, let us copy this one, Control C. Copy down here, Control C, Control V. Date of birth. So one date is 23rd Feb 1987. And today's date is obtained by is equal to today, bracket 1, bracket close. But I'm not interested in today. I'm interested in 17 August. 17 August 2025. The format can be changed. Like here, if I come here and come cell, and in the home tab, there is a format painter, then it paints that into this color. So now the formula for difference is year fraction, that is fraction of the year. Start date is this one, comma, end date is this one, and bracket close. So, and then you want to do not want so many decimal places, reduce the decimal by reducing it. Maybe it's almost 38 and half. 38.5 would have been half. So 38.48 is the answer. That is 20th. 21 is this formula. 21. Let's come to 21. 21 is square root of 2. If you want to get square root of 2 from Excel, all you have to do is equal to square root of 2. But this formula was developed by Bodhayana 800 before Christ in India, Indian mathematician. Let's see how accurate it is. So is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus multiplication of 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 minus multiplication of 1 by 34, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Now, because we are using PEMDAS rule, where division and multiplication are done together first. So from left to right, it takes division, so it calculates this one, then it takes calculation of this one, then calculate this one, then it calculates 1 by 34, then it calculates 1 by 4, then it calculates 1 by 3, and thereafter it multiplies. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 it multiplies, 1 by 34 into 1 by 4, 1 by 30 multiplies. Then it does average plus and minus, and therefore without any brackets you can use this formula and see how it is coming. So it is 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6, up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 8 decimal places. Bodhayana's formula is accurate. And this was done about 2,800 years ago. So that is square root of 2. Now square root of 2 is over. Pi calculation, I've done it separately here. So calculation of pi, see how it is done. This is a formula. So I divided this formula into A, B, C, D. So A is this. If you look at the formula, what it is, how it looks like. Minus 1 is there to the power of n. N I taken as this number. B2 is the number to the power of n multiplied by factorial. This symbol is factorial into factorial. Inside bracket is 4 into n. 4 into n. N is B2. So that takes care of A. B is 4 power n. N factorial whole to the power of 4. Whole to the power of 4 is here. And what is inside the bracket? 4 into n. 4 to the power of n. 4 to the power of B2 into factorial of n. Now C is 1123 plus 21460 into n. N is nothing but B2. And this is simple, 882 to the power of 2 into n. So once this is done by taking reference of this one, when you drag this formula to this one, you will get, instead of B2, you get B3, you get B3, you get B3, you get B3. Here you get B4, and B4 is nothing but 2. This refers to n equal to 2, this refers to n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5. And then you have to multiply this, you have to divide A by D, then you have to divide C by D. So A by B into C by D is this. A by B, 1 by 1, into C by D, 1123 into 1 by 1. So it is 1123. Similarly, all other things. Then its sigma sign is there. Sigma sign says whatever you get from n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, you have to add those numbers. So you get total of this is, and then outside there is 1 by 182. So whatever 1182, etc. is there, you have to divide by 882. The formula is here. This number divided by 882. So that gives you the right hand side. It says 4 by pi is equal to this much. To get pi, you have to say 4 by whatever answer you get. So pi will be obtained by 4 by this number. So this is as per the Ramanujam's equation. You want to find out what is the pi as per Excel. It is this one. So it is 3.14. Let me see whether any extra decimal places are there. Any decimal places may be there. Let's see. Yeah. After that it is 000. So let us say 14159, 14159, 2653, 2653, 5897, 58979, 58979. So it is right, correct up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more than 10 decimal places just by calculating up to 5 n, n equal to 5. So this was derived by Ramanujam. There's another formula also, but it's one formula, but Ramanujam 2 in 1914. And he has calculated like this using manual methods right up to 700 decimal places. And now scientifically, the pi is available to 3 trillion decimal places. So that is the beauty of Indian mathematics. Then 23, 24, 25, 26, we'll do a separate video. Let us stop this video here, otherwise it becomes too long for you people to watch in one go.